Subject: Design of machine elements. Practical number 9. Aim: to study about design of hydraulic press. A hydraulic press is a design using Pascal's principle where a small force on a small piston creates a proportionally larger force on a large piston in a closed fluid filled system. Key design elements include the hydraulic system, pump, cylinder, piston, fluid, control valve, rigid frame, often a four-column design, and a ram or a platen to apply pressure to the workpiece. Detailed design also involves selecting high tensile strength material for the ram and column, using appropriate hydraulic seals to prevent leaks and sizing components like the cylinder, piston and platens based on the desired force, pressure and stroke length. Pascal's principle. The core principle of hydraulic press is that pressure applied to a confined fluid is transmitted equally in all directions. This allows a small force applied to a small cylinder input cylinder to be multiplied into much larger force on a larger cylinder output cylinder. Hydraulic system. Cylinder and piston. A press uses two main cylinders with piston, a small sleeve or input cylinder and large master or output cylinder. Hydraulic fluid. The system is filled with an incompressible fluid, typically hydraulic oil, which transmits the pressure. Pump. A hydraulic pump draws fluid from tank and forces it into the system to move the pistons. Control valve. A valve directs the flow of fluid to extend or retract the ram. It can be a lever operated valve for manual control or an electrically solenoid actuated valve for automated systems. Tank and filter. A reservoir holds the hydraulic fluid which is passed through a filter before being used by the pump to remove contaminants. A hydraulic press has the following specifications: capacity 80 kN, fluid pressure 60 MPa, stroke 400 mm, permissible tensile stress for pillar and dam 75 MPa, permissible tensile stress for CI cylinder 30 MPa, distance between the center line of pillar 400 mm, distance between top and bottom of plate 400 mm, design of press. The design is given here, piston assembly and other component. Thank you.